Alien Sightings in Jamaica, Part 2. There was a little boy who lived in Blenheim, Hanover, Jamaica. He spent most of his time hanging out nearby with a friend that lived down the street from him. One night, he arrived home after visiting his friend, but something was clearly bothering him. His family noticed and asked him what was wrong. The answer he gave them was the most bizarre thing they had ever heard. He told them that while walking home in the dark, the night just suddenly lit up. The source of the light was obviously coming from the sky, so he looked up. When he looked up to see the plane or aircraft that was shining so brightly, he didn't see no plane but something else.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
He described it to be very huge and round, and it was hovering slowly and low. He didn't make out the color of the thing, because the light was very bright. It was making a loud sound. He said it sounded just like how the alien spaceship sounds in the movie called Dark Skies. He said it hovered slowly across the sky until it vanished. He was so terrified that he ran home afterwards. He never saw anything like it again.
Like, follow, and share for more.